Hey, this is Shawn, Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royalty affiliate, online marketer. Um, and I'm here to talk to you today about an offer I have for you. If you're looking to make money online, are you looking for a work from home opportunity? Are you struggling to make money online? Need some type of guidance, you need the help, you need that type of push. Royalty has everything that you need for you to be able to make money online immediately. We have six-figure earners in this company. We have people making $1,000, $2,000, $4,000 a month off of this, and I can show you how you can also. And also, along with the excellent product that we have at Royalty, which is our VF Gem product, which enables you to place ads across multiple platforms online to advertise your offer, whatever it is you might be promoting, or you could use that and manage your company's advertisements. Also, I myself, for every member of my team, everybody that signs up and joins Royalty with me, I provide them with hot to serve leads. Hot pre-screened leads I provide everyone that signs up with me. Um, One of the techniques that I use is not only that you see me here on YouTube or Facebook, but I also specialize in making on the phone, cold calling. I teach that to my members, and we use that with high levels of success. And I could teach you how to do that also. So again, if you're looking to make money online, you're looking for a part-time income, a full-time income, just a little extra money in your pocket, that's fine too. But we make big money over here at Royalty. We have several six-figure earners in our companies. We have everybody makes money. Everybody that's on my team makes money, and I can show you how to do that too. And also, along with that, everyone that signs up with me, I give them free hot leads. Hot leads are people that are looking to make money online. They're looking for an opportunity so that you can get in and you can start building your team immediately. You can hit the ground running and we could get you in the green, in the money right off the bat. Everybody with me makes money within their first 30 days. That's just what we do. So again, if you're looking for an opportunity, you're looking for a part-time job, you're looking to make money online, come in, jump in with my team. We have hours and hours of training, hours of resources, and like I said, I help you hit the ground running. I provide you with hot leads. We cold call. We pick the phone up and we call people that are looking to make money from home, looking to make money online. They are looking to start their own business, and we present them with our opportunity here at Royalty, and we explain to them how they can make money, and I can show you how to do that so that you can make money and take care of your family, and that's the bottom line, and live the life that you want to live. If you want more information, you can give me a call, Shawn Cole, Shawn Cole Enterprises, 410-929-3390. I'll put my links in the description of this video if you're just ready to hop in right now and hit the ground and get your free leads so that you can make money with Royalty. And there's plenty of money to be made because the service that we offer to businesses and entrepreneurs, no one else is doing it. No one else is giving the value that this company is. It's an easy sell. It's a very easy sell. Contact me again. Shawn Cole Enterprises, 410-929-3390. The links will be in the description of this video. Let's have a talk. Let's have a great day, and let's all make some money.